Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Fast Track Spanish. And in today's video, we are going to learn about how to say months in Spanish. So let's start. January is called enero, February, febrero, March, marzo, April, abril, May, mayo, June, junio, July, julio, August, agosto, September, septiembre, October, octubre, November, noviembre, and December, diciembre. As in English, we say in January, in February, in March. So in the same way, we say en enero, en abril, en marzo, en agosto. So we use the preposition en in front of the months. So let's take some examples. When is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? My birthday is in February. My birthday is in February. And in Spanish, we never capitalize the months unless they are used in front of the sentence. So if they are used in front of the sentence, then only we will capitalize them. Otherwise not. If they are used at the end of the sentence or mid of the sentence, we will not capitalize them. In English, normally we say my birthday falls on 19th of February or 17th of March or 18th of July. So 18th, 20th, 21st. So as you saw, we use ordinal numbers in English, but in Spanish we use cardinal numbers. Now what is the difference between cardinal and ordinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. But ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and so on. So how to say a date along with a month in Spanish? Now let's see. The structure is, first of all we will use el, then number. El is used because all the numbers in Spanish are masculine, and that we will continue in another video. So el plus number, that is 2, 3, 4, 6, whatever. That number plus day plus month. So for example, when is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? My birthday is in January. Mi cumpleaños es en enero. Or for example, your birthday is in November. Mi cumpleaños es en noviembre. So what if you have to mention date also? So then you will say my birthday is on 19th of February. So you will say mi cumpleaños es el 19 de febrero. So like this you will make sentence. Next example, my birthday is on 11th of August. So mi cumpleaños es el 11 de agosto. So like this you will use. So I hope this made you clear. So guys, here one important note is that if you have to say the first of any month, for example, if you have to say the 1st of January or the 1st of November, the 1st of March, the 1st of April, whatsoever, so you will use ordinal number, that is primero. So for example, what is the date today? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Today is 1st of November. Hoy es el primero de noviembre. Today is 1st of January. Hoy es el primero de enero. So whenever you want to say first of any month, then you will say primero. Always remember primero. Primero de enero, primero de agosto, primero de diciembre. So primero de, el primero de. So that's all in today's video guys. If you liked it, then do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Ciao!